It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. A pretty mild day, and then all of a sudden the last portion of the day happened. Again, just to circle back, each one of these represents 30 minutes. Why do I bring that up? Well, check out the final 30-minute, two final minute periods on the day. Volume came in strong, and then the price reacted very nicely with it. So I don't know if there was some late day news or something, but point being, I don't really care. All I know is that the price ended very, very strong on the day, which leads to the question, is this the beginning of something, bigger? Is this some sort of leading indicator that there's more power to come? I have no idea on that, but a quick little kind of indicator we can use to judge the strength or lack thereof of, today's strong close is going to be this level right here at a penny. And this circles back to a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So this would now be an area of support. And the reason that can really help us out in regards to this late day action is, it goes along the lines of the logic. Hey, price movements that are starting to break out are going to continue forward, right? A breakout doesn't go back to where it was. So with that logic, if the price, falls back below 0.01 and then, kind of goes back here, while I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined, I'm just saying that as far as, the breakout action that happened late day today, well, that apparently doesn't have any true, movement behind it, any true strength, because the price at that point would be down within this range where it already was. Again, going back to where the price was isn't what a true breakout's going to do. And I'm assuming I'm stating the obvious when I say that. But as it stands right now, 0.01 isn't even close to being tested. But let's say it actually does roll back over, find some support right here and then heads back up. Well, that would just be a beautiful continuation of, today's late day breakout. You'd have a set of lows right there. This set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, then you'd have a nice kind of, stair step breakout, if you will, in progress. So 0.01, very revealing in terms of helping us answer a question. Does today's late day price action mean anything or not? What about areas of resistance? At this point, it's really all about where the party stopped a couple of days ago, and that's right up there at basically 0.013, if you want to be exact, 0.0129, but we'll just call it 0.013. So 0.013, next key battleground for the price. So like I said, no doubt about it, very, very strong day or way to close out the day today. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.